everyday natural, no makeup look. Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautynetic Hacks. In this video, I am gonna tell you about how to look pretty and beautiful with minimum efforts. Let's start. We all want radiant, flawless complexion and want to look pretty without putting too much efforts and doing a lot of makeup. Follow simple steps and look fresh all day, every day. First, skin prepping. Cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser or simply use a cleansing milk and remove all the dirt and excess oil from your face. Use the products according to your skin types. I have uploaded a detailed skincare video on my channel. If you want to use toner you can, but I think that using a lot of products on your skin can also cause damages. I am talking about young girls, so I use rose water. Moisturizer. Use a nice gentle moisturizer according to your skin type. Sunscreen, the most important step. Protection from UV rays is so important. Apply it on your hands, feet too. Let's dive into the world of makeup. First, use primer if you need one. If you have clear skin, you don't need foundation. But if you have acne-prone skin or hyperpigmentation, use correctors first. Apply minimum foundation on your face. Don't use much. Or apply BB cream. It's a better option for clear skin. Now apply little amount of concealer. So here we are using color corrector. After applying color corrector, leave it for 2 minutes and then dab with your ring finger or use a flat brush. Now apply little amount of concealer in a lift up way. And wait for 2 minutes and then dab it with your ring finger sponge or a flat brush. But don't spread it. You can apply powder if you want. Now set your brows. Use an eyebrow pencil. Draw your brows. That gives them a natural look. Don't use a dark shade. Use brown shade because it will give you a natural look. Now apply creamy eyeshadow that enhances beauty of your eyes. Use lighter colors. If you want to use shimmer you can use, otherwise you can skip. Now curl your lashes with lash curler. Now apply only 1 layer of mascara, or you can just skip mascara if you have already long lashes. Now apply blush on your apple of cheeks. Now apply highlighter if you want glowy skin. Apply highlighter on chin, cheekbones, nose. Loose powder for oily skin and compact powder for dry skin. If you want your makeup to last long, then there's the hacks. First, apply powder on required areas, then setting spray, and then apply powder again. Now apply natural color lipstick or simply a tinted lip balm. It will give you a perfect look. Remember that less is more. This is the makeup routine you should follow according to your skin type. Oily skin. People who have oily skin should use mattifying primer, matte foundation, loose powder, blush powder, highlighter plus, lipstick. Dry skin. Use hydrating primer, serum foundation, liquid blush on liquid highlighter. This was all for today's video. I hope you all like it.